In this video I'm going to explain how you can install the Castle app on your PC in a simple and practical way, keeping in mind that Castle is primarily designed for mobile devices and doesn't have an official desktop version. To use it on a computer, you'll need a trusted Android emulator like BlueStacks, which allows Android apps to run on Windows or Mac OS. Start by visiting the official BlueStacks website, downloading the installer, and completing the setup process, which may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once installed, open BlueStacks and make sure it's running properly, then minimize it and open your browser to download the Castle APK file from a source you trust, as unofficial APKs can sometimes carry security risks. After the APK finishes downloading, simply double-click it or drag it into the BlueStacks window, and the emulator will automatically install the app for you. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Castle app icon inside BlueStacks, and you can open it just like you would on a phone and start using its features on a larger screen. Remember, performance can vary based on your PC specs and emulator settings, so adjust them if needed. Subscribe for more easy, honest app tutorials that actually work.